Wow, look at that. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Let's cut it. Whoa. Whoa. Bismillah. Halo, assalamualaikum. Salam sejahtera. Ketemu lagi di channel Rumah Sehat Bu Ana ya. Jangan lupa klik subscribe dan like. Oke, thank you. Halo guys, today I'm going to eat honey. Yeah, I was bought it from my friend. I don't know how it tastes. Wow, good, so good, yeah. Okay, let's unboxing this Hive, yeah. Oh, it's no need to cut. Whoa. Ooh. Whoa. This is so good. Sorry, I need to. Wow. Ooh. Wow, look at that. Wow. This is so good. Oh my god. I can't wait to eat this. Okay. Ooh, sorry. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. This is so good. I like it. Okay guys, let's cut this. Wow, this is not too hard, yeah. Whoa, look at this. Wow. Whoa. This is the first time I eat this. Whoa. Look at this. This is so good. This is amazing. Look at this, guys. So sweet. Just like candy. You see this? I don't know. Can I eat this? Maybe I just eat this. Yeah. I can't swallow it. I just throw it. I don't know. Can I eat this? Okay. This is so sweet. This is so good. I can't swallow it. This is pure honey, and this is a beehive. Okay, you can't finish it one time. You have to cut it piece by piece, so maybe sometimes it will stuck. I'm afraid it will stuck in your throat if you eat this too much. Okay, you can eat this with your bread. I think if you squeeze it and take the hive off, yeah, so you get the pure of the honey, it will be better. So you don't need to swallow the hive, yeah. But it's have some, what is it, some new sensations or something like that, yeah. So I think it's better to squeeze it and take the hive off, yeah. So when you eat this with your bread, it's will easier to eat, and this is so good. You have to try it, yeah. Okay, thank you.